Thank God bless you. Thank God I remembered my lights because it gets dark fast. Are you good? What? What's wrong? Get her on Saturday. So the cop just probably looks, turns around, fucking looks, says, "All right, they're leaving." And then has been times where a cop might pull someone over with the back. Wait, fucking bug in my mouth. Well, here goes the clearance. Oh, this is the Mark 1. No. You don't have your headlights on properly. Damn! What? Oh my god, it's the freaking... He's scraping! He's scraping everywhere! Oh my god. You could see the sparks everywhere. You saw it, like, coming around. That's what happens when you have a car like that. That is so... Oh, that is surprisingly quiet. Alright, bye. Wait, how's that car go? It really did get cold. Check what the temperatures. He's playing. They almost... It does not feel like fucking 19. Bye!